Okay, so let's officially start now. So thank you, everyone. Welcome to the VDOS 2025. This is the 14th international workshop on vaccine and drug ontology studies. So this is a list of all the meetings. So from 2012, we are there every single year. So it's amazing, right? So very glad to be persistent and welcome everyone for attending the meeting. So today's meeting has basically 4 sessions, and then in addition to the last group discussion. So the first session will be knowledge graph and machine learning. Will be moderated by Dr. Cui Tao from Mayo Clinic. And then we are going to host a keynote presentation by Rebecca Ress from FDA. And then second one is Will Break. And then next session is large language model based ontology mapping, which will be hosted by me. And then later on will be ontology supported LLM applications moderated by Jiang Guk. So this is the website. I also put it into the chat. In the chat, so you can click and there you can. I think you probably have already know the information, and we will start very quickly. A lot of presentations. So and we will have very tight schedule. So hopefully everyone can stick with the time. So this program is co-organized by 3 of us, Dr. Cui Tao from Mayo Clinic, and me from Michigan, and then Jiang Guk He from North Dakota. And then our keynote presenter is Dr. Rebecca Ress from a senior scientific advisor from US FDA. So Rebecca has a very strong background, and I will present. I will introduce more later. Her talk will be very interesting one, application of ontology at the US FDA. So we'll look forward to her talk. And then disclosure. So the workshop will be recorded, right? So only the presentations with the consent from presenter will be uploaded to YouTube, right? It's called Biomedical Ontology World in YouTube is a channel. So one